Alright guys, we got a bit of a double header here for you today. I will be tackling this long crack repair. Yeah, it's about 4 feet. And Deadeye.
We're going to take care of this charger right now. We got 5% tank going in the back, 20 going in the front, 5% sunstrip. Right now I got Matt inside. It's cleaning the back glass. These windows are usually pretty troublesome on the back, so Matt's going to spend a lot of time making sure everything's crystal clear, perfectly clean. While he's doing that, I'm going to start cutting this. Everything's getting done by hand on this one. So you'll see me working in the background, you see him working in the background. So we're going to knock out both at the same time. It's going to be fun.
Keep watching. Now you're always going to have a scar when you fill it in, but this buys some time. So if you can remember what it looked like when it came in.
Yeah, I did.
You do?
Yeah.
How bad was it when it came in?
You can see it big time.
All right. Now you're going to see it in different lights at different angles, but it's not all the time.
You'll see it.
It's like a magic trick. Certain angles it almost disappears. Certain angles it's still kind of there.
Oh, you want to say that for the camera again? I can't even see. There you go.
Well, never mind. I'm not gonna make that joke. I said it's like a magic trick. At certain angles, it's almost gonna completely disappear. At certain angles, it's still kind of there. So depending on how the light catches it, you might get a glimmer. Certain times, it's gone.
What do you think of that?
It's nice. Real nice.
Thank you.